Hello guys, we're here at Moto Market Green Hills. We will check if they will install it for free, the top box. I'm planning to buy EV top box and I do hope they will install it for free. Hello guys, we're here at inside the Moto Market. Ooh, lots of accessories and apparels for motorcycling. Si Kumine Tai Chi, and here top box. There, the GV Antarctica. What I am looking for. We got GV Maxia, one of my favorite. Here at Moto Market, they have a lot of top box to choose from. Here are GV top boxes. They got aluminum and as well as hard plastic. Hi guys, unfortunately sa Moto Market Green Hills wala dun yung nag-i-install, no? Ngayon trinay ko dito sa Moto Market Libis, pwede naman daw. So need lang i-modify, kailangan butasan si TVS Brami. So ayun. Ito pala yung loob ng Moto Market Libis. Kompleto rin sila dito ng mga motorcycle apparels. So ayan, sine-check na ni Kuya, pinifit niya yung yung top box. So guys, ito na siya, bagong GV, no? GV Matterhorn, bagay na bagay kay Rami. Poging-pogi, di ba? Ayos na ayos, goods na goods.